Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tutorials with Aubrey. And today we're going to look at a very interesting topic. Big ups to Stephen Mlanshi for requesting for this video. So now, if you have any question that you would like me to make a video on, you can comment in the comment box below on with the video. Okay, so now let's say, and I know you've encountered this, if you have 5, for instance, to the power 0, what is the answer? Okay, yeah, that's right, the answer is 1. 100 to the power 0, what is this equal to? Of course, this is equals to 1. 1000 to the power 0, what is this equal to? Of course, it is equal to 1. What about 0 to the power 0? What is this equal to? Okay, when you punch this in your calculator, you'll find that this is not equal to 1, but is undefined. Okay, it is not equal to 1, and it is undefined. Okay, so it seems any number b raised to the power 0, this is always equal to 1 as long as b is not equal to 0. Okay, any number b raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 as long as b is not equal to 0. So basically in this video I'm going to answer these two questions. Okay, why is it that whenever you have any number except for 0, when that number is raised to the power 0, you always have a 1? Okay, and why isn't 0 to the power 0 not equal to 1? So this is the knowledge that you are expected to acquire from this video. So now on with our video. So let's say you have b to the power 0. We said this is equals to 1, and now we are going to show how exactly and why exactly any number except for 0 when raised to the power 0, this is equals to 1. Okay, what we know is that when you get any real number n, okay, minus n, you're always going to have 0 as long as n is a real number. Okay, as long as n is a real number, n minus n will always be equal to 0. That is to say, when we pick left hand side of our equation, b to the power 0 is the same thing as b to the power n minus n. And from our indices, we know that whenever you have a base with powers that are adding, or sorry, with powers that are subtracting, this is the same thing as division. This is the same thing as 8 over, let's say if this was b, and this is the same thing as over a to the power b. So this is from your indices. Okay, so now we can apply the same principle here. This is the same thing as b to the power n over b to the power n. Okay, that is to say, the numerator and the denominator will always have the same values, hence this will always be equal to 1. Okay, so the analogy here is that any number to the power 0 can be written as a fraction with the same degree or with the same value, of which y it gives us 1. Okay, so this is why any number to the power 0 except for 0 will always be equal to 1. Okay, now on to answering our next question. Why is 0 to the power 0 not equal to 1 but undefined? Okay, let me get back to my color here. Okay, why is this equal to 1 but undefined? Not equal to 1 but undefined. So again,